In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this subject cut transition in Premiere Pro. Let's begin. Let's import our footage to the timeline. I'm going to use these 3 clips and arrange them on 3 separate tracks. I'll remove the audio of the second clip and slightly reposition it, and then let's move the playhead to the beginning of the second clip, and pressing Shift and the right arrow key, I'm going to move 10 frames forward and then press C for the razor tool to make a cut right there. Then select the first part, and on the left side, pick the Object Mask tool that is available in newer versions of Premiere. Then in the Program Monitor, select the subject, which is highlighted in red, and in the Effect Controls panel, under the Unassigned Mask section, press this button to start tracking the subject. Then drag and drop the Object Mask over the opacity property to make the background invisible. And because the second clip is placed above the first clip in the timeline, it will create this nice subject cut transition. Let's repeat the same process for the third clip. I'm going to quickly resize this video, and then again, after I've moved 10 frames on the right using Shift and right arrow key, I switch to Razor tool by pressing C and make a cut. Select the first clip, pick the Object Mask tool, choose the subject, and track the mask. Drag the Object Mask over the opacity property, and there you have it. Additionally, you can add a camera shutter sound effect. And that was the easy way of creating the subject cut transition in Premiere Pro. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Visit the Creative Society website for more design resources and music. If you want to continue learning, check out this other video on the screen. Thank you, and see you next time.
This is Creative Society.